With increasing pressures on wetlands from human activities, many wetlands are being rapidly degraded. The Grey Globe Award draws attention to wetlands when their Ramsar values are under threat. Winning a Grey Globe Award will highlight the threats to our Ramsar wetland and the need for management resources.
Towra Point Nature Reserve is a Ramsar site on the southern shore of Botany Bay in Sydney, Australia.
Towra Point Ramsar site includes salt marsh, mangroves, migratory shorebird habitat and fish nurseries. It meets 4 of the criterion for Ramsar listing. Towra Point Nature Reserve supports 3 Australian threatened species. At the time of listing, 60% of salt marsh communities and 40% of mangrove communities in the Sydney bioregion were found at Towra Point.
Its mangroves, salt marsh and seagrass meadows together provide habitat for commercial fish species, crustaceans and oysters.
My name is Chelsea Henkin. I'm an ecologist studying this area. Shorebirds found in this area include the bar-tailed godwit, whimbrel and the eastern curlew, and these populations are rapidly declining.
Towra Point is central to one of the most important migratory bird sites in New South Wales. It supports up to 34 species of migratory birds listed under Australia's bilateral agreements, the Jamba, Kamba and Rakamba treaties. The endangered little tern successfully breeds on Towra Spit most years.
An abundance of juvenile fish use the Towra Point mangrove habitat for food and shelter.
Towra Point Nature Reserve is a significant habitat for at least 60 species of fish, including 25 species that are commercially important.
Threats include weed invasion, nutrient loading and sedimentation. The result is an increased area of mangroves, reduced salt marsh, and so there's less habitat for shorebirds.
Now, one of the major threats to the Ramsar site and shorebird habitat is weeds. For example, this Juncus acutus. It's growing aggressively over the area, and it needs to be treated and removed to retain the values of the Ramsar site.
As a result of mangrove incursion and weeds, salt marsh specialists, including the Pacific golden plover, sharp-tailed sandpiper and white-throated chat, are no longer seen at Towra Point.
Towra Point continues to provide critical habitat for some migratory shorebirds, including the internationally vulnerable eastern curlew.
New South Wales National Parks and Wildlife Service actively supports the successful breeding of little terns on Towra Point. 72 chicks fledged in 2010. Documentation for the site is positive. The State Government of New South Wales National Parks and Wildlife Service has prepared a description of ecological character and a plan of management for Towra Point Nature Reserve Ramsar site. The National Parks and Wildlife Service also works with Friends of Towra Point to control weeds at the reserve. The Grey Globe Award is a call to action for Towra Point. We need investment from all levels of government, industry and the community to protect this special place from threats.
Only then can the outstanding ecological values of this internationally significant wetland on Sydney's doorstep be preserved.